everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all how I install this 5x5 lace closure wig. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. This video is sponsored by Sogoodhair. They sent me their 22-inch lace closure wig, and I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check that out. So this is how everything looked once I opened up the package. And as you can see, everything is nice and neat. And they also gave me a few goodies inside of the box. Here I'm just showing you all like the construction of the wig. And as you can see, the knots on the lace look like it's been bleached already. But I always like to bleach it a little bit more to my liking. So once I finished bleaching the knots, just a little, I didn't even leave it on there for like a long time. I washed the wig and then I just let it sit and air dry, and this is how it looked. Okay, so let me just show you all how fast and easy it was to install this wig. The only thing I did was apply the wig on my head, and I adjusted the wig to my liking. And then after that, I took some clips and I just pushed my hair back. And right here, I'm just showing you all the lace. As you can see, it's very thin and it blends in with my skin very, very well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my scissors and I'm going to cut the lace in the middle. And then I'm going to use my eyebrow archer to remove the rest of the lace on each side. So honey, I don't know what I was trying to do. Well, I knew what I was trying to do. I didn't bleach the knots enough to my liking, so I was taking some concealer and adding it to the part. And as you can see, honey, I messed up. So I just took a towel and just wiped it off. So yeah, so that's what I was doing there. And then next, I was like, baby hair. I want some baby hair. Like always, I love baby hair, but I don't really know how to do them. So I'm attempting to do some baby hair right here. And all I did was take a little out in the front, use my eyebrow archer to cut the hair down. And then I'm going to add some gel and try to do my baby hair. This wig is very beginner friendly. The density is perfect. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's like just right. This hair is very soft. I wasn't getting a lot of shedding or anything when I was washing the hair or combing through it. And I also like how I didn't need any like gel or spray or any glue or anything with this wig. The wig fit just right. All I did was just adjust the elastic band in the back. And yeah, it feels so secure and it's not going anywhere. Once I was finished that, I just wanted to add a few layers. So I was going for like a big fluffy look. So all I'm doing now is taking my hands and like fluffing out the curls. And if you want a more defined look, you don't have to do this part. You can just spray it down with some water and add some mousse to it and just let it air dry, and your curls will be nice and defined. But this is the look I was going for. So yeah, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Drop a comment down below if you like this video. And I'm gonna leave all the information in the description bar about Sogoodhair, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching.
Beat.